If you don't already know, or if you're not subscribed, I am a mom, I am a hairstylist, and I love all things fashion. I do hauls, luxury unboxings, all of the good stuff. So if you want to be a part of our family, then click the link below, and I'd love to have you guys subscribe. I'm almost to 100 subscribers, and then I'm going to do a giveaway, so stay tuned for that because it's going to be good. But let's get started. So today I'm going to talk all about hair. I haven't done a hair video in a long time, and one of my subscribers, Mary, hi Mary, asked me to do a hair tool. So this is for you, girl. And I wanted to share all my knowledge because I am a hairstylist, how to use your hair tools, what I recommend, what products I recommend when you're using your hair tools, all of the good stuff. So I'm going to break it down for you in this video. Sorry, it is, you guys, I'm in such a good mood because I went to Target and I found so many good things. So if you don't follow me already, follow me on my Instagram. I'll put it right here. And you can keep up with all my stuff that I'm doing, all my hauls, all that stuff. I do cute reels on there. So if you're interested in that, then check out my Instagram. Okay, so first and foremost, let's talk about prepping the hair before we use any hair tools. So this is my favorite leave-in. It's by Unite. It's what I carry in my salon. It's the leave-in conditioners, the 7 seconds. You guys, I am obsessed with this stuff. I cannot keep this on. And then also I love the 7 seconds glossing. It helps with humidity, frizz, shine, all of that. I use this to prep the hair before I go in with my hair tools. So my favorite blow dryer, and I use this in the salon. It's my tried and true. I love it so much. It's a little more expensive. It's the Dyson, you guys. It's my baby. I love this thing. It makes my hair feel so smooth. It smooths it out. It cuts down the drying time. I don't have a lot of frizz. There's just so many things. And the cord is really long, which I can appreciate because I do hair. So I love that. It is amazing. All you do is clean this filter. It's really easy. But a tip I will tell you, if you don't want to splurge on it and save, wait until Sephora does their VIB sale in the fall and get it then, because you will save some cash. So I love this blow dryer. It is like the best. Obsessed. Another item that is considered drying your hair is the Air Wrap. If you can't tell, I love Dyson. I wish this was sponsored. Obviously it's not. But Dyson, I love you. So this is the Dyson Air Wrap. And at first I wasn't a fan of it. I was like, no, I don't know if I like it. I have a review right here on this. I have a review on this, so I'll put it right here for you guys and check that out. But that goes into depth all the hair. These things pop off. The caps on these are the tools. So I have a video on that, and I will link it down below, and I'll put it right here so you guys can check that out. But I love the smoothing one. You just go like this, you smooth it out, and I love it. I wait until my hair is about 60% dry, and then I go in with this. And also, don't forget to not, I repeat, do not use your tools on high heat. It is so not good for your hair. If you have fine to medium hair, please put it on the lowest or the second to lowest heat on it, because it will break the front of your hair. It'll break your hair. It's not good for your hair. So if you're having breakage, that's why. Please do not use on high heat. That's just a tip, and I've seen a big difference. I tell my clients that because they're curling their hair with that high heat and their hair is fine, and then it's just dry and it's breaking off. So I love this. The next thing that I love is my tried and true curling iron. This is the Bio-Ionic. Oh my gosh, this is the long barrel. So this is the one that is longer for long hair and extensions. All my long hair and extension clients buy this because it makes such a difference. This part is, longer than a typical curling iron. So it makes a difference when you're curling your hair. So I highly recommend this, and I'll link it down below for that. And if you want me to go into depth more video and talking about how to grow your hair out, how to take care of your hair, like this video and I will totally make that video for you guys. Any hair questions you guys might have, please comment down below and I would love to answer them for you. I'm here for you guys if you have any questions. This is my baby. I love it. I have it in the salon. Me and my assistant use it and we love it. The next thing is surprise flat iron, and this baby is newer, and I will put the video of the review on this too down below. The thing I love about this is, first of all, it's cordless, so it charges for 30 minutes and then you don't have a cord. It still works. And if you put your hands right here while you're using it, this does not get hot. And you notice how sometimes a lot and your hair kind of gets stuck? This one doesn't do it. It has these ridges right here that help with that. And then this is how you turn it on and put the temperature and all that stuff. So it's really, really pretty, and I love it. It works so good. It's smoothing. It's amazing. So like I said, I'll put the link down below for that video or up here somewhere. Check it out. Oopsie. And last but not least, if you have hand-tied hair extensions, I'm going to show you or tell you guys about a little trick if you don't already know. When you get out of the shower, you put your leave-in in, your oil, braid it in 2 braids, and then when you wake up, you are going to kind of air or blow dry it real quick and then go through and run it through with this beautiful beach waver. I love this thing. Look at how cute it is. It's the Ion brand from Sally's Beauty. I will link it down below. Just go in, and I like to do it this way. Go in like this and just do that. That's a perfect way. So if you have frizzy hair, the beach waver is better because with the beach waves, it's okay to have that frizz. That's what it's supposed to look like. So I love this. I highly recommend that one. And then for last but not least, for styling, these are the 2 products I love. Kevin Murphy. You guys hear me talk about Kevin Murphy. I love Kevin Murphy. But this is the bedroom hair. I'll link it down below. And this is the session spray for stronghold. So say if you're going to go to an event and you really want those curls to stay intact, I would say that. Or recommend this. If you want more movement, this little guy right here, just go like this, pull your hair up. It's texturizing spray. So that's how you're properly supposed to put in texturizing spray. You want more volume in the front, grab your little baby pieces and just squirt up. And it gives you that volume in the front. So yeah, these are all my recommendations, you guys. If you have any hair questions or you like the hair videos, please like this video so I know to make more of these for you guys. I want to make content that you guys like and that you're enjoying, so let me know if you have any hair questions and comment down below. I love helping you guys out, so please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!